Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn about the orientation computation for image processing. A point in the geometric plane is defined by the coordinates x and y. The points seen on the screen shall have certain orientations. The orientations of the points in a triplet shall be either counterclockwise, which is left turn, or clockwise, the right turn, or collinear, which has no turn, assumed to be on the same line. We shall now jump into the Python code and see its implementation. We shall begin with the creation of a point class to hold the coordinates x, y. We therefore have a point class with the definitions for x and y at line number 4 and 5 as part of the initialization. We move forward to create another geometry class that shall have the function definitions for computation on orientation of points. The class object is initialized and then the function orientation is defined. This function takes 3 points, p1, p2 and p3 with x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. The orientation depends on the value val of the expression seen here. If the val variable is 0, the points are collinear, which means that they lie on the same line. If the value is positive, then the points are oriented in clockwise direction or a right turn. Otherwise, if they are negative, we set the value to 2 and mark the points as counterclockwise or the left turn. As an example for the given set of points, from the driver code, we call upon the orientation with the points 1, 2, 6, 6 and 5, 12 as seen in the figure. We finally note that the turn is towards left. These computations of orientation is largely used in geometric and trigonometric algorithms on image processing techniques. Thanks for hearing and watching.